What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to talk to you about retail arbitrage at Walmart. Now, most people think that doing retail arbitrage at Walmart is just scary. You can't find anything that's profitable. It's too much work. Everyone's doing it. How do you make money? Well, I want to show you how I'm able to consistently make over $5,000 every single month selling products that most of you walk past every single day. Now, let me show you how this works, all right? So here's one item right here. This right here is a Mickey Mouse. It sings like Hot Diggity Dog, something like that. Okay. This item right here, you can see currently it's selling for $25.68. This sells for $14.97. Okay. $14.97. Here's what I want you to understand. I was selling this a while back for $32.95. Okay. $32.95. Like I said, I bought it for $14.97. I was making $7.59 average from every single sale. And I'd sell between 5 and 10 of these every single day. Okay, so why do I bring this up? Well, let me show you this. Okay, let's say I make $7.50. If I sell 10 of these, I make $75 per day from this one item. Okay, $75 profit from this one single item. Now, why is that important? The reason why this is important, and one of the strategies that I like to go by, is I try to find products that do very well and are easy to find. Okay, I don't go into Walmart and scan this item and 300 other items. I go and scan the product that I know will sell. So I walk into Walmart, see it sitting on the shelf, and I pick it up. Okay, have the box, and I scan the barcode on the box. Take my phone, scan it. Okay, it's still profitable. I'm gonna buy some. Then I go to the next Walmart, buy the same product. Go to the next Walmart, buy the same product. Go to the next Walmart, buy the same product. Okay, that's how simple this is. Okay, and that's where most people struggle is they go into one Walmart, they buy this product. They go to the next Walmart and they see this product sitting on the shelf, but no, they buy the product that's sitting next to it. Why are you gonna buy that product when you know this one's already profitable? Why do you do it? Stop. Stop and think about it. You walk in, you see this product, take all these products, you throw them in your cart. You're good to go. Now you scan the next product and the next one and the next one. And you keep doing it until you can find either more products or you're done. You go buy these products, walk out the door, now you're profitable. That's how you need to run your business. Let me show you this. Okay? So like I said, right here, it was selling for $32.95. Was. Okay? Let me explain something to you really quick. So I'm actually going to show you 3 different products. This one right now at $14.97, selling at, I think it's 25 something. I'll look in a second. But I think it's like $25. It's not profitable. I would not buy it. I would not recommend it. Okay? However, I was buying these for like $7 to $7.50, something like that, from a wholesale supplier a couple months ago. That has now stopped. So all 3 products I'm going to show you are products that I currently do not sell. Okay, I want to point that out because a lot of you guys are going to ask, why am I showing you products that I'm currently selling? I'm not. This product and 2 other products I'm showing you in just a second, I do not sell right now. As of right now, as I'm recording this video, I do not sell these products on Amazon. The reason why is because they are not profitable as of right now, or, for example, this product right here, I can't get my hands on anymore. Okay, so let me show you something. Here's another product right here. This is a Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix. Now this item, okay, this item right here, the nice thing about this is I can get this, I think it's $1.40. That's after tax. Now the reason why I include tax is simply because at some Walmarts, they do not like it when I go and buy their entire stock. Most of them don't care, but I'm just going to go on the safe side, say $1.40, okay? $1.40 per pack. There are 3 packs right here. These ones, after fees, after everything, I make about $3 or it's like $3.70, $3.75 per unit. Okay, so there's 3 packs in 1 unit, so I make about $1.25 per pack. Okay, so if this sells, and this does not sell very well now, you can come down here, you can see it's, it's looking a little bit better. Here's how it's been. It was a little bit better back here. Okay, so it's not the best selling product, but again, this is something that I used to sell, don't sell a lot of. So even if I sold, let's say 2 of these in a day, or 1 in a day, let's say 1 a day. Okay, so I make, an extra $3 plus $3. Okay, so now I'm at 78. Okay, so again, it doesn't sell really well, but it sells. Okay, here's another item right here. This item, if you look right here, the toys and games and the ranking, it's almost 500,000. Okay, this item right here. The reason why I don't sell this anymore, number one, it cost me $6 to buy this, and it's currently selling right now at $11.97. That's not good. Okay, that is not good right there. So if we come back, go look, in the past. Let's go back let's go back a year. Okay, so we go back a year over here. Okay, you can see there's better ranking. Okay, 162,000. Let's go back a little bit more, a little bit longer than a year. So right here about November. Okay, I was able to make some money off this. I wasn't able to make a lot of money, but I was selling this for about $13.95, $14. We should be able to see it somewhere. So Amazon right there, November 4th in 2017 was selling for $14.47. Like I said, I was selling mine for about probably like $13, something like that. So I was making a little bit of money, not a lot. I think I was making like about $2 per item, but I was buying them for $6. Okay, so I was making, what was that, 30 some percent. Okay, so not a lot of money, but every little bit counts. Now, here's what I want you guys to understand. When it comes to selling these items, okay, doesn't matter what item it is. When it comes to selling these items, what you need to understand is you walk into a store, you find any item that's profitable that you can sell, that you're able to sell. Okay, you buy it, and then you go to the next Walmart and you buy the exact same item. Plus, you scan the items that were not found in the other store. Maybe you go to their clearance aisle and you scan some of their clearance stuff. Maybe you go into the electronics and you see, oh, there's computers and phones and tablets and stuff that they were not at the other Walmart. You scan those things. You figure out what you can and can't sell. But you continue to load up your cart with this single item that you were buying. Okay? Remember, when you go to that first Walmart and you scan this item, buy it. If it's profitable, buy it. Go to the second Walmart. Put this item in your cart. Put the next item in your cart. That's still profitable. Go to the third Walmart. Find this guy. Remember, find the guy that's profitable. Find the toys that are profitable. Find the home products that are profitable. Find the grocery products that are profitable, that are going to make you some money. That's the key to making money from Walmart. It's not to walk into a Walmart store, scan 300-400 different items, pick the ones out that are profitable, put them in your cart, then go to the next Walmart and scan another 300 or 400 items that a lot of them are the exact same item you just scanned, but they weren't profitable. If you looked at the exact same Walmart that exact same day, or a different Walmart that exact same day, what you got to understand is the price is probably pretty close. The ranking may have fluctuated a little bit, but it's probably fairly close to what it was. So like I said, go to the next Walmart. Buy the item that is profitable, okay? I tell people this all the time. I did a video on this exact same strategy. I had a couple do it. I had a single mom do it. I had a retired military veteran do it. I had a lot of people, single people, couples, elderly people, young people, married people, whatever, okay, teens. I've had a lot of people walk into Walmart, walk into Home Depot, walk into Lowe's, walk into Target, buying the products that are profitable. They take pictures, take out their phone, take a little picture so they know exactly what it is they're looking for. They go into the next Target, the next Walmart, the next Big Lots, the next Costco, whatever, find the exact same product, throw it in their cart, okay, doing flips. They're excited because they know they're making money. That's how simple this strategy is. So don't go into Walmart and think, oh, it's so much competition, I can't make any money. How do people do this? It must be a scam. It's not a scam. It's a strategy. Walk into any store with a strategy, with a plan, with some money, and you'll walk out with more money in your pocket. That's how it works, all right? So if you have any questions on how to make money through retail arbitrage at Walmart or at Target or at Big Lots or anywhere, let me know down in the comment section below. And also, if you have a favorite store, let me know. What store is it, okay? I'm dying to know, because I know I have my favorite store. It's actually Target. If you guys didn't know that, my favorite store to shop, do retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, is actually Target. There's a bunch of reasons why. If you want to know what those reasons are why, make sure you ask down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Want more videos on doing retail arbitrage, specifically at Walmart or specifically at a different store? Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.